Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain periodic table, which is again very important in the chemistry as it gives the information about this element and how they relate to one another. This video will help you all to have a general idea about the periodic table, and I am sure that you will all will understand this periodic table. So let's get started. As you can see, I have written here 1 to 7 and from 1 to 18. So what is this? What does it mean? So many questions arises from this. So let me explain that from 1 to 7 these are periods, and from 1 up to 18 these are groups. So we can say that in the periodic table there are 7 periods and 18 groups. So there are 118 elements in the periodic table, as you can see. So group 1 contains alkali metals, group 2 contains alkaline earth metals, and from 3 to 12 group contain transition metals, and these 18 group contain noble gases. This 17 group contains halogens, and here these are lanthanide and actinide series. In this video, I am going to explain group 1 and group 2. So let's start with the group 1. The group 1 composed of hydrogen and the alkali metals. These are the alkali metals: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Okay, these metals have only one electron in their highest energy orbital, one valence electron. They are soft, shiny, they have low melting point, highly reactive, and they are highly reactive metals. Okay, and these are H, Li, Na, K. These are the chemical symbols. Okay, and this here is written 1. So this is atomic number. This atomic number I will explain further in the video. Let's move to the second group. The second group elements have 2 electrons in their valence shell and having oxidation number +2. So oxidation number कैसे निकालते हैं ये भी मैं आपको वीडियो में बताऊंगी. So this is beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. These elements are called as alkaline earth metals. These are alkali metals and these are alkaline earth metals because these are called as alkaline earth metal because their oxide remain in the crust of earth and are very heat stable. As we go down the group, the atomic number of the element increases. As you can see, 1, 3, 11, so that. And the size of this element also increases as we go down the group. So this is because number of energy levels increases. So there is a greater distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron. I think nahi samjha aapko. I will give example. For example, here is hydrogen, lithium, sodium. As we go down the group, size increases. As you can see, size increases. Number of shell increases. These are the shells, right? 1 shell, 2 shells and 3 shells. Number of shells increases and the reactivity decreases. So what is this reactivity? It refers to how vigorously an atom is to react with the other substances. Let's have a look on atomic number. The number of protons found in the nucleus of every atom of element is called as atomic number. It is denoted by Z. This symbol comes from German word Zahl, meaning number. So helium. This is example helium. What is 2 and 4? The 2 is the number of protons and 4 is the mass number of this helium. What is mass number? The sum of number of protons plus neutrons equals to 4, that is 2 plus 2. There are 2 protons in helium and 2 neutrons in helium. This is the diagrammatical explanation of example helium. So there are 2 protons in the helium atom, 2 neutrons and 2 electrons. These are electrons. Okay, so we can say that in the helium atom there are 2 protons, 2 neutrons and 2 electrons. As per the definition, the number of protons found in the nucleus is called as atomic number, and the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons is called as the mass number. After that, we will see the atomic radius. Atomic radius increases down the group. So what is atomic radius? The measure of size of its atom, that is distance between the nuclei of two touching atoms. For example, these are the two atoms touching each other. And what is this R? The R equals to its atomic radius. R equals to D by 2. That is, D is distance between nuclei of two identical atoms. In this video, I have explained group 1 and group 2. In the next video, we will understand another basics of periodic table. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.